Wireless charging technology, convenience meets efficiency. Wireless charging technology, convenience meets efficiency. In the world of mobile devices, one of the biggest inconveniences is having to constantly plug in and unplug devices from charging cords. However, wireless charging technology has brought a level of convenience to mobile device users everywhere. Not only is wireless charging more convenient than traditional charging methods, it is also becoming increasingly efficient, making it a technology worth investing in. Wireless charging technology uses an electromagnetic field to transfer energy between two objects, a wireless charger and a device with wireless charging capabilities. The charger sends energy across the electromagnetic field to the device's internal battery, which then converts it for use. The beauty of wireless charging technology is that it eliminates cable clutter, making it effortless to charge your device without constantly looking for an outlet or a cord. A user can simply place their device on a charging pad, and the device starts charging automatically. The charging pad is connected to a power source, typically through a cord, meaning the pad can be relocated easily throughout the home. Another advantage of wireless charging is that there is no wear and tear on the device's charging port. For example, if you are using a traditional charger cord every day, the port on the device is subject to wear and tear from plugging and unplugging the cord. Eventually, the port might become loose or non-functional, which can cause significant issues with the device. Wireless charging elimina tests this concern because the device never needs to be plugged in or unplugged to initiate charging. However, the convenience of wireless charging does not mean sacrificing efficiency. In fact, compared to traditional charging methods, wireless charging systems are becoming increasingly efficient. Understand why? It's important to understand how wireless charging systems work and the improvements that have been made in recent years. Impact on the environment. One of the biggest advantages of wireless charging technology is the positive environmental impact it has. The widespread adoption of wireless charging technology can reduce the production and use of disposable cords and adapters that eventually become electronic waste. This technology also reduces carbon dioxide emissions from electricity generation because there is less power usage from portable chargers. Wireless charging systems and their efficiency. Wireless charging systems have been in use since around 2008, and improvements in the technology over the years mean that today's wireless chargers are far more efficient than their predecessors. For example, in the early days of wireless charging, the system known as induction charging was the most common. This type of charger required close contact with the device to work. However, recent breakthroughs in wireless charging have allowed for resonant charging, which allows a device to charge from a distance, and has greatly expanded wireless charging capabilities. Wireless charging is also becoming faster. In the past, the charging speed of a wireless charging system was significantly slower than traditional charging methods. However, advances in technology they allowed for faster charging times. In fact, some of the newest wireless charging systems are now faster than traditional wired charging methods. In addition to faster charging times, wireless charging systems are getting better at conserving power. When a charging pad is left plugged in but not in use, it can still draw a small amount of powe, called phantom power. This can add up over time and negatively impact the environment. However, recent advances in technology have allowed for the development of charging pads that consume less phantom power and conserve energy more effectively. Future of wireless charging. As with any new technology, the future of wireless charging is exciting. There are also exciting advances in wireless charging technology on the horizon. For example, Wireless charging systems are not yet able to charge at the same speed as a traditional charging cord, powe. This is likely to change in the future. Another example of potential advancements is the ability to charge multiple devices